Centre has declared National Liberation Front of Tripura, All Tripura Tiger Force and their factions as unlawful association under Lawful Activities Prevention Act. Assam government has given its in principle note to the initiation of the process for socio-economic assessment of the 5 indigenous Muslim communities. PM's Vanidhi scheme achieves momentous milestone of covering over 50 lakh street vendors, says Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. US House of Representatives Speaker Kevin McCarthy ousted in historic vote. At Hangzhou Asian Games in China, Indian duo Jyoti Sureka Venom and Ojas Diotale won gold for India in archery.